Hello my beautiful friends. How about opening Advent Art Calendar? This time we have a pen store calendar. I have never seen one before, never opened one before, so if you wish to not see what's inside, please don't watch it. We will be opening all the boxes today.
And there's even like another set.
Wow, another set. Thank you for telling me. I haven't seen this. As you can tell, I am not on my own. Hannah is joining me today. So let's start. Let's open it up. Where's number one, Hannah? Because that's the excitement she had today. She was like, Mommy, can we open it? Can we open it? Let's do it together. However, I'm gonna let you to open it all. Or most. Now this set. Wow, very well made. Ooh, some coupon code. Oh, wow. For watercolor, 20% for the next order. Oh, I love that. Wow,
No,
we have
right here.
yes, a gorgeous inside. We have a watercolor start here. I like that watercolor little pad. Okay, number two, Hannah. I wonder how many of you actually have seen this calendar before, because honestly, I haven't ever seen any spoiler video, nothing, not from last year. Ooh.
What is this a pencil?
Wow. It's, I don't know, but it's brand Nas...
Wait,
one second. Nasan or something like that, and it looks that it's a watercolor. Yeah, go on, you can do the three.
Where's the number three?
Where's number three? Could be on the other. Oh, there is there. Okay, let's move this. Oh, sorry. Let's move this. I think it looks a little bit like as if this one is watercolor, possibly. You know what? I have a spare card here, so we can do that. And
this kind of.
what is it? Can I have a... Oh, it's a brush. Fantastic. It's a watercolor brush. Well, then we need to maybe try to dip this inside. That's, Marta, not gonna work, but let's do it outside. 1 second. Let me just put some water. Ooh. I put some out and I put some in. That's okay. That will do. So we have some watercolor brush.
Do it on that.
Yes, I will. That's exactly what I'm thinking. Maybe that's not enough water. Oh, it is. Oh, so it's a watercolor pencil and a brush. Fantastic start. Okay, number three. So let's go for number four, Hannah.
Yeah.
Where's number four? Can you see that?
It's somewhere.
I think it's here.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, let's have this one. And this brand, it's Tombow, actually. Wow, watercolor brush Tombow. Now, I help you. There you go. That's a very well made calendar, I have to say. Oh no, wait, it's a Kuretake watercolor. Hooker green. It's a Kuretake Japan. You would like to open it? Okay, you open it and I go for number five then. It's here. You open the paint, I'm opening this one. Oh wow. Nassau, it's the same brand and it's a water... Wow. Okay, this looks a little dry-ish.
We'll
Am I
leave
right?
that for later.
It's kind of looking dry-ish to me, unfortunately. Let's try this one. Let's try this color. I'm gonna use a different brush because this one seems to be very much, very much orange. Oh wow, a gorgeous color. Super. And more water. Beautiful. Of course, if you know Kuretake, you know Kuretake. It's gorgeous, fantastic watercolor paints. Number six is there. Go on. Do the honors, Hannah. This is more like a nearly Halloween colors, not Christmas. Am I right? Ooh, another brush. Would you like to try? Gently. It's blackish, grayish. It's nice. I like the fine, delicate tip, but it seems to be not that pigmented. Maybe that's how it's supposed to be. I have no idea. I don't know the brand. Nassau. Nassau 7. Where's number 7, Hannah? Maybe it's on the other side. Let's see.
Yeah, it's on the other side.
All right, that could be it. Number 7. Oh, that's a big one.
Oh, I love big ones.
Oh, that's another one, and that's for lettering. That's another one, but it's for lettering. Wow.
Look, this is
no way. So it's a little bit.
I bet there's another one. 7.
So this is for lettering as well, and those are for watercolors. That's a lovely idea set. Oh, that's another one. That's another pen. Oh, this is like, no way, a sharpener and a pencil from Nassau or NASA 3H. I won't be using that, but that will be handy, right? We definitely need some, that's number 9. We definitely need some sharpener. We always short with sharpeners. Oh, wow. Look at this one. That is... That is Drawing System Pigment in Water-Based, Water-Resistant. I like that. This one, I know the brand Artline. It's a good one. I do like that.
Another
super awesome.
Oh,
Can I have it?
It's stuck. It's
1 second.
It's glue kind of.
Czekaj, Hania. Poczekaj.
Can I try it?
You can, but you need to be at the camera, Hannah. Oh, wow. That works great, I think. Super. Oh, sorry. Good job. Let me see. I don't know how to do it, but there you go. I think the bristle is good. It's brush pen Nassau, definitely better than those two. I think definitely way better. Number, what's next?
Number
11.
11. It's right here.
That's 12.
Oh.
That's 11. So you do the 11, I do the 12. Ooh.
Ooh.
These are the same, just maybe different colors. You do the 12. Oh no, we did the 12. Black again? Oh, for the lettering. Okay. Well, there you go. So we have... Oh, lovely. I love them. I love this. Can I have? It's like chisel. I do like that, actually. So we have
now it's
broad pen, drawing pen, and we have brush pen. So it's like a set. That's lovely. Super.
Now it's number
13. That's the big one. Jump in. That could be acrylic. I'm guessing acrylic paint and acrylic pad. Sketching. Ooh, for sketching. Thank you. So we have a little sketchbook. Super awesome. I like that. For sketching. So number 14 is next to 14, and I do 15. Okay. Oh, that's for the sketching. So that's like for cleaning the thing, the shading and shadowing. So that's gonna be, oh, lovely. Wow, gently, because these are take the other one, Hannah, please. These are for, I love them.
Oh,
that's a charcoal, probably. It is charcoal medium. This one is woodless charcoal, and super awesome. Yeah, look. You can do shading. That's fantastic. I love that. Do you want to try more? Can't remember the price of the calendar. I bought it some time ago. Wasn't the cheapest. 14, 15, 16. 16 is 6 and here is 17. I think I like the calendar. Would I repeat it? No, because there's no... I don't know. I feel for now it's like those are the things you would just own it already, sort of thing. I think it's great for someone who starts. We have sepia, 2 sepias? No way. Don't tell me these are 2 sepias. That's a pity. 2 sepias, so it's a mistake, I'm guessing. And sanguine color.
Are you serious? What is this?
This is a razor Kneadable. Nassau is the brand. So it's like you can. I'm actually not too sure what's that for, guys. What's that rubber for? Tell me. You can knead it, yeah. And it's for. And it's, don't open it, no. And it's for obviously cleaning off from the pencils and stuff. But I don't know why is this nib. I think it's like you can just kind of touch it like this. and without cleaning off like that, I think. I'm sure that this could be a mistake. 2 CPS pencils, pity. That's okay. 17 was done, 18 is here. There we go. Ooh, a pencil. Never too many pencils. 1 second. 2B. 2B pencil, lovely. 18. I think 19 is gonna be on the other side. Yes, I'd say so. 20, 19, it's the big one. So that's gonna be acrylic, I'm guessing. Oh, sorry. I knew it. Acrylic. Super. Acrylic. 20. So that's gonna be acrylic paint. Oh no. Ooh. Oh, I like that. Acrylic dual marker. So that's the first thing that's really like different. Poczekaj, bo to trzeba. I think we need to like press it and stuff to make it happen, which is I think we need to do like this.
Can I do it?
Because it's the white color. Poczekaj, no, możesz gently. So in the meantime, I'll do 21. Oh, the same, a red one. And 22, it's gonna be probably, I'm guessing, green one. No. Oh, a brush. I like that.
What?
Gently, Hania. It's there. It's coming. Watch it. Look. 1 second. 1 second. See? It's happening. Poczekaj, Misiu. Oh, I like that. And honestly, it's really good color, as in no, actually no,
eyeshadow.
It's no, not eyeshadow. No, it's I guess it's no, it's good actually. And this one is acrylic dual marker. I think they're very good actually, to be honest. The white one seems to be very good. 22. Now next one is 23 and 24. So you do this one, I do this one. How is that? Acrylic Nassau brand. Everything is nearly from this brand, Nassau. So we have like
Two
basic
Nassau.
colors. Is that the last one? It is. Okay, we put this aside, Hania. And we have all of this.
Are we done the whole thing?
Huh?
Are we done the
I think we did the whole thing. So we have watercolor, acrylic sketching, and we have lettering. So we have four little oh, this is not drying great. Not that fast anyway. 4 little booklets. We have plenty of supplies. Now, do I like it? I think it's lovely. I think it's nice for someone who doesn't own these supplies, in terms of you wish to start lettering, maybe you wish to start acrylic, watercolors, sketching. Great. Do I like these things? I do. Something that it's very much surprising is this dual marker. This is something I don't know. These 2 sepia, I'm curious about the sepia color. I may actually do it now. 1 moment. Let's do it now. Let's see the color, sepia. Because sepia is brown, and I wonder if this is water. Oh, broke down. No, 1 second. But let's see. So it is like this brown, like the sepia should be, I guess. Oh, it's broken inside. And is it water-based or something? Kind of-ish, not much, no. No, you can't tell that it is. So we have 2 sepias. We have the... I think that can't be it true, so that's some sort of mistake. So we have 2 sepias. For someone who doesn't own supplies, yes, good. For me, no. Would I go for it again? No, I don't know. I think I don't need all of these. It's good to try it out. It's good for those who are beginners, who not too sure what they wish to try, and if they have less small supplies. I don't know the brand. I think it's great advertisement for the brand, I guess, for the Nassau, because everything is from it, nearly. Kuretake 1 color, great. Then Nassau acrylics. Do I need another acrylics? Not necessarily. The rubber, you tell me, the razor whites, how this is working. I like this one. I do. Artline drawing system. Never enough of these, for sure. Yeah,
Never
kind of.
enough of what?
Never enough. Never too many of these drawing tools. I think it's okay. Like, I like it, but it's not wow. Oh wow, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely keep this one from the collection. These. Don't get idea of color scheme here, like red, orange. It's kind of weird. Purple.
How is it on?
Kind of weird combination, to be honest. I don't know.
I like orange. Can I keep
I much more prefer if there would be like pastel set or something. I would love that.
Can I keep this? If you don't like really.
I think about it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep these two. That's about it. If I'm happy with something comparison to what I already have. Okay, the black markers, let's say that for this one I do like this one, so I keep this one as well. The brush, of course, but these are not the things you can't get elsewhere, I think. So I guess, yeah. Anyway, I wonder your thoughts, opinions about this advent calendar. Let me know in the comment section down below if you liked it, enjoyed it. I'm gonna try to give you the price somewhere here for the calendar. I have no clue. I can't remember how much it was. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it, enjoyed it. I will definitely be using this one. That's something I do like. Acrylic dual marker Nassau. I wish to have all the colors from that, that's for sure. Thank you so much, guys. I'll chat to you very soon. Bye for now. Bye.
Bye.